Take about 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth powder, and add 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. After that, just add enough rose water to make a thick consistency so that you can make a scrub bar out of it. Be little careful, don't add too much of rose water. Then, give it a proper shape, and let it dry overnight. You can keep the bar below your fan, so that it dries quickly. Next day you will notice the bar has dried up completely, and it is ready to use. You can use this scrub bar to exfoliate your whole body. It helps to remove dirt, impurities, and dead skin cells. It works best as it is natural, and free from any preservatives and chemicals. After using this, you will immediately notice and feel your skin become soft, as it removes dead skin from top layer of skin. This bar helps to brighten your skin and make it glowy. You can use this bar to exfoliate and remove excess oil from your face. But be little gentle. Use this bar just once or twice in a week. Avoid using this bar if you have dry skin. Being a natural absorbent, Fuller's Earth can be used to remove excess oil from oily skin. It can also unclog skin pores and balance the natural pH level of the skin. It reduces the appearance of scars, minor burn marks to a great extent. It is an excellent cleansing agent that can improve your skin complexion. Not only does it help get rid of dead skin cells, but it also imparts an instant glow onto your face. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.